Nginibingelele bafowethu ngiphinde nginamukele ku YouTube channel yethu. Bafowethu before singene nodabeni bengisacela nje support nangu mfowethu umsebenzi wakhe lona awenza ngezakhe izandla uJakalase Munyamane. Bafowethu ikhombo is only 200 rand and ungamthola einkundleni zokuxhumana Facebook kanti ngena ku WhatsApp and inamba ka WhatsApp usuyishare ku screen. Ungamfonela WhatsApp and igama ku Facebook it's Jakalase Munyamane. Bafowethu support singayibonga kakhulu.
Sise escort Comrade Carl Niehaus is being arrested by police while addressing the media. The freedom of the press is under siege. My comrade in arms is being taken away. We don't know what's the charge, but here they are. There is no social distance as my protectors, the law enforcement agencies are taking my comrade. They are so close to him. I don't know if he's not going to get infected, but they are leading him inside. Comrade Carl, be strong. Be joyful you are going to join President Jacob Zuma. But you are here, my brother. Carl! 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 Amandla! This is what is happening now. Viva Comrade Carl Niehaus, viva! Amandla! Phansi nabacindezeli phansi! Phambili ne-freedom of press phambili! Amandla! Escort, our comrade has been taken away. Yeah. We are back in apartheid days. Yeah, this is what is happening now. Ukhona officer mhlambe ngasichazela ukuthi uboshelweni. We are under siege. The democracy in South Africa as we know it is disappearing. We are back in the apartheid days. My comrade, the